नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस में। कैसे हो आप सभी? तो दोस्तों आज बात करते हैं मॉक टेस्ट पार्ट 12, जिसमें मिलते हैं आपको 50 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट से रिलेटेड। दोस्तों सहायक लेखाकार का पेपर दिसंबर और नवंबर में हो सकता है, ऐसी एक्सपेक्टेशन है। तो दोस्तों तैयारी करते रहिए, रेगुलर सीरीज को फॉलो करते रहिए। आपको सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन वन बाय वन मैं डालता रहूंगा मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज में। दोस्तों साथ ही साथ उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस की सामान्य ज्ञान सामान्य हिंदी की टेस्ट सीरीज को आप जरूर फॉलो करें। वो आने वाली उत्तराखंड की एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। साथ ही साथ डिस्क्रिप्शन में टेलीग्राम लिंक है चैनल का, आप उसे जरूर ज्वाइन करें डेली करंट अफेयर के लिए। तो दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं मॉक टेस्ट पार्ट 12। दोस्तों अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें, ताकि आपको मिलती रहे उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस की तरफ से सारी जानकारी। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। एज आई से मैं क्वेश्चन बोलूंगा, आपको पढ़ना है और आंसर देना है। Auditor shall be punished with the imprisonment of maximum period of under section 539 for falsification in the books of account, and the answer is 7-year punishment. The next question is, auditor is not an insurer. In which of the following cases the decision has been given? And the answer is London General Bank 1895. The next question is, the section 1880A of Company Act is related to with the redemption of, and the answer is irredeemable preference share. Company auditor is responsible for, company auditor is responsible for shareholders. The next question is, in balance sheet audit account are audited, and the answer is annual or half yearly basis. Auditor can be done annually or half yearly basis. The next question is, at the time of dissolution of loss of the business will be compensate first of all from, and the answer is profit. The next question is, the meaning of written down value is, and the answer is book value minus depreciation. The next question is, internal check is a part of, and the answer is internal control. The next question is, cost audit report is to be submitted to, and the answer is the central government with a copy to the company. Next question is, a company auditor address his report to, and the answer is members. The next question is, which of the following section of Company Act 1956 related to maintenance of proper books of accounts? And the answer is section 209. The next question is, BIPA with the Sudan come into effect was news. It is the agreement for, and the answer is investment in country. The next question is, audit adopted by banking company is, And the answer is continuous audit. Banking use continuous audit. The next question is which of the following has Lune of company auditor? And the answer is auditors working papers. The next question is to appoint new auditor in place of retired auditor to adopt the procedure. Which section of Company Act 1956 is applicable? And the answer is 224 Act. A company has separate legal existence from its member. This principle was first laid down in a case of, and the answer is Solomon versus Solomon M Corporation Limited 1897. According to ownership, government company means whose paid up share capital 51% share are owned by government. That's called government company. The next question is establishment expenses of a new machine will be debited to, and the answer is machinery account. The next question is balance sheet shown only, and the answer is personal account and real accounts. The next question is discount on issue of share account is shown at the, and the answer is asset side of balance sheet. The next question is under which section of Company Act an auditor has right to participate and to speak in general meeting? And the answer is 231 Act. The next question is new profit sharing ratio is calculated at the time of, and the answer is all of the above. The next question is what is the reduction of paid up share capital called? And the answer is internal reconstruction. The next question is under which of the following method of depreciation the amount of an asset is never reduced to zero? And the answer is diminishing balance method. The next question is control function of management implies, and the answer is to take corrective course of action. The next question is coordination function of management aims at, and the answer is bringing harmony in the various activities. The next question is authority flows downward from top to bottom, whereas accountability flows upward from bottom to top. It is found in, and the answer is scalar chain. Maslow needs hierarchy theory related to, and the answer is motivation. MBO is technique of, and the answer is controlling only. The next question is pre-incorporation profit is transferred to, and the answer is capital reserve. The next question is which of the following is shown in profit and loss appropriation account? And the answer is contribution to general reserve. The next question is on liquidation of company, first payment is made in respect of, and the answer is preferential creditors. The next question is workman's compensation fund is a, and the answer is surplus. The next question is debenture of rupees 4,25,000 issued against the purchase of asset rupees 4,000 4,05,000. In case amount of 25,000 is, and the answer is capital reserve. Next question is private equity investors invest in a company based mainly on, and the answer is the credibility and the valuation of the company. The next question is disinvestment in public sector is called, and the answer is privatization. That's happening right now. Debtors turnover ratio is 4. What is the average collection period? And the answer is 3 months. The next question is unity of command implies having not more than one, and the answer is boss. The next question is which one of the following is not a barrier in communication? And the answer is perception. The next question is which of the following is an example of capital expenditure? And the answer is custom duty on import of machinery. The next question is a cooperative auditor start his work, and the answer is auditor start its work from cash book. The next question is accounting for research and development related to, and the answer is accounting standards 8. Next question is which one of the following is not one of element of the 7S McKinsey model for analyzing and improving organization effectiveness? and the answer is standard. The next question is, which one of the following is not true for special economic zones? And the answer is no routine examination of cargo for export import by custom auditors authorities. Charging of capital expenditure to revenue result in, and the answer is secret reserve. The next question is, the income tax deducted from interest paid on debentures is shown on, and the answer is liability side of the balance sheet. The next question is, income includes following type of receipts, and the answer is statutory and illegal both. Open market operation is a part of, open market operation is a part of credit policy. The opportunity cost of holding money is determined by, and the answer is interest rate. If the profit are 25% of selling price, what is the percentage of profit to the cost? And the answer is 33%. तो दोस्तों ये था मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज पार्ट 12। आई होप आपको पसंद आया हो। प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लें ताकि आपको मिलते रहे उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस की तरफ से सारी जानकारी। साथ ही साथ हमारा उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान, उत्तराखंड सामान्य हिंदी की टेस्ट सीरीज आप फॉलो करें। उसमें आपको डेली 50 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अपलोड होते हैं, वो आपको आने वाले एग्जाम के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। ओके गाइस, थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग, डू सब्सक्राइब उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस। थैंक यू।